If you're serious about becoming the bank through real estate investing, understanding the mortgage, or sometimes called deed of trust, is essential. This document is what secures the loan to the property. It's your legal claim as the note holder. Without it, you're just holding a promise to pay. With it, you hold the legal right to take action if the borrower defaults. To have this in mind, what should you look for when reviewing a mortgage or a deed of trust? Let's go over the key sections that we think every investor must examine. First, the property's legal description. And no, this isn't just the address. It's a precise legal definition of the property being used as collateral. You want to confirm that the note you're buying is actually tied to a real, verifiable asset. Next, check the default and remedy section. This outlines what happens if the borrower stops paying. It spells out your rights to recover the property or pursue legal action. If this section is weak or unclear, your ability to enforce the note could be at risk. Then you also want to check the lien position. You want to be ensured that you're in the first lien position. Well, that's if you so choose. But with a first lien position, it means that you get paid before any other lenders in the event of a foreclosure. Always verify that through the recorded document and title report, you know which lien position you're in. Also review the signatures, the dates, and the county registration. This document must be properly executed and recorded at the county level. Missing signatures or incorrect dates, it could make enforcement difficult, or in some cases even invalid. Then there's also other details like the power of sale clause, late fees, insurance, tax responsibilities. It can all impact your risk and return. The bottom line, the mortgage or deed of trust is what turns you from a passive investor into a secured lender. It protects your position and gives you legal leverage. Want to dig deeper into how this works? Just drop your questions in the comments. We're here to help, to invest with clarity and confidence.